Welcome back. So, MR2 situation. If you hear everything running in the background, I got it up and running, which very happy about. As you can see, it's also dark behind me. So if you saw the earlier video, it was a little bit lighter. So it tells you I was at this I started about 8 and it's about 8:45. So I've been at this about 30 to 45 minutes. The install was not as easy as I thought. I had to do it blind. Pretty much it's like not being able to see what you're actually doing, but feeling around for it. So I had to go with that option because it was a very tight space, nothing I could have fit my head into, just my hands. So I had to finagle a few things around. I had to pull 1 or 2 parts loose, and I was able to do it with my hands, but unfortunately, I lost one of the clamps, and I was looking for that for a little bit. But fortunately, with all the tools and all the projects I've done in the past, I was able to find another one, which was a huge plus because I was kind of pulling my hair out. As you can see, I have none left, trying to find that part. But fortunately, I was able to find a replacement. I got everything up and running, and the beautiful thing, Mr. 2 is even running better than he did before because I was actually able to tighten the accessory cable, which was a little bit loose before, so my radio would turn on and then would turn off every time I started the car. Now it just turns on. So every time you fix something, the motto for today is make it better, or make it the same as or better than you last left it. So hope you appreciated this video. As you can see in here, it's getting late. It's time for me to go to bed. But I was happy to get the MR2 project finished for today, which means I can now drive him safely with no issues. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll put some more videos up later. All right, bye.